Children, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Okay, let us start our social class. All of you take your social book. Today we are going to learn about the geography. Page number 85. Page number 85, rocks and soil. Today we are going to learn about the rocks and soil. In this lesson, we are going to understand about the rocks of nature of rocks, their types and uses, and we are going to learn about the different types of rocks. And we study about the nature of soil and its compositions of the soil conversation also. Okay, children. Introductions. Have you ever noticed any mountains or rocks nearby any locations or during your travel? Have you noticed? Yes. You go to the hill station in the vacations, you can see some more places. Yes, do you know about the organite on the earth surface? மேலே கீழே அப்படி என்ன செய்யும், வித்தியாசமான ஒரு சூழ்நிலைகள் என்ன செய்யும், காணப்படும். ஸோ do you know what the kinds of materials are used in the construction of temples, buildings, roads, flyovers, etc.? In this lesson we will learn about the rocks and soil. எப்படி எப்படிலாம் கல்கள்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணி என்ன செஞ்சாங்க, கட்டிடங்கள் கட்டினாங்க, கோயில்களை கட்டினாங்க அப்படிங்கிறத நம்ம என்ன செய்ய போகிறோம், பார்க்க போகிறோம். சரியா? We will learn about rocks and soils. In the lower class also we are studied about the four realms of the earth, namely lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. This all we are going to learn. Lithosphere is one of the uppermost scientific layer of the earth. It is composed by solid rocks. It is composed by the solid rocks and unconcentrated materials. So the literal meanings of the lithosphere is the spire of one of the rock. Okay, it's the spire of one of the rock. See, rock is it's in the earth only. Rock is, it is one of the earth only. Yes or no? See, the lithosphere is made of the rocks. Rocks are made. How the rocks are made? Rocks are made of one or two minerals. One or two minerals. Minerals are solid substances which have been defined chemical composition and have a crystalline quartz. Means quartz, mica, calcite. Example. Okay, it's one of the example of the minerals. Quartz, mica, calcite. Okay. This compound of metals of commercial value presents in the rocks. So that rocks we will say ores. உலக கலவைன்னு சொல்லுவோம். Okay. So rocks disintegrated to form soil. Rocks will be disintegrated to the form of soil. Okay. So petrology. Petrology is a branch of geology which deals with the study of rocks. Who are going to study about the rocks, we will say petrology. Petrology is one of the branch of geology. So it is one of the deals of study of rocks. Petrology is derived from which word? Greek word. Petrus refers to rock, logos it refers to study. அதான் நம்ம பெட்ராலஜின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஓகேவா? Now rocks. Rocks are solid mineral materials. Rocks are solid minerals materials. See, the earth crust is composed by the rock I said. That is lithosphere. The rock is one of the important natural resource and is found in solid state. It may be hard or soft in nature. சில கல்கள் எப்படி இருக்கும், சாஃப்டாக இருக்கும், சில கல்கள் கூர்மையாக இருக்கும். ஓகே. ஸோ as estimate reveals that there are 2000 different types of minerals. It's found on the earth surface. Its basic minerals is the 12th or the basic mineral compound found in the earth. So minerals is one of the chemical substance. That only I said. What are the few examples of the minerals? Quartz, mica, calcite. Okay. So they may occur either in the form of elements of rocks. Okay, children. See, the study of the rocks is called geology. Geology நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம், ஸ்டடி ராக்கை பற்றி படிக்கிறவங்கள நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம், Geology. The study of minerals we will say mineralogy. Okay children. So classification of rocks. According to the rocks can be classified into three categories. One is igneous rocks, one is sedimentary rocks, third is metamorphic rocks. See in this one, it is divided. Rocks is divided by igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic. The igneous, instructive igneous, extractive igneous. Sedimentary is organic, inorganic. Metamorphic, thermal, dynamic. Okay, now you got it children. See, now we are going to learn about the igneous rock. Okay, see, the igneous means what? Do you know children? That is fire. The word igneous means fire. Igneous rocks are found by the solidifications of molten material. Okay, that is magma. These rocks are called primary rocks or parent rocks. So all as rocks are formed from these rocks. So this igneous is derived from the Latin word ignis, means fire. Okay, means fire. அப்படிதான் சொன்னேன். எப்படிதானம்மா? Okay. See, igneous rocks is a molten material. So நம்ம அந்த molten material நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்? Magma. So magma, the hot material inside the earth is called magma. அந்த ஹால்ட் போய் மெட்டீரியலாக ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கிறத நம்ம என்னென்னு சொல்லுவோம்? லாவா. மெட்டீரியல், ஹாட் மெட்டீரியல் நம்ம இன்சைடு பூமிக்குள்ளே இருக்கிறத நம்ம என்னென்னு சொல்லுவோம்? மேக்மா. மேக்மா வந்து எதோட சேர்ந்துருக்கோம்? மினரல்ஸ் சேர்ந்துருக்கோம். மேக்மா கண்டெய்ன்ஸ் minerals. Due to the volcanic eruptions, the hot magma starts coming out of the surface. உள்ளுக்குள்ளே வந்து குழம்புகள் முட்டி மோதும் போது அந்த மேக்மா என்ன செய்யுது? வெளியே வருது. அப்போ என்ன ஆகுது? நம்மளுக்கு இறை குழம்புகள் வெடிக்க ஆரம்பிக்கும். அப்படி தானே? ஸோ லேட்டர் இட் சாலிஃபைட்ஸ் டு ஃபார்ம் ராக்ஸ். சம் மேக்மா சாலிஃபைட் ஜஸ்ட் பிலோ த எர்த் சர்ஃபேஸ். ஓகே, see, lava, one of the molten material that comes out of the earth's surface during volcanic eruptions. The magma turns into lava when it comes out of the vent of the volcano. அந்த வேல்கனோல வாய் இருக்கும்ல, அது வாய்வில் என்ன செய்யும்? வெடிச்சு வெளியே வரும். அதோட டெம்பரேச்சர் எப்படி இருக்குமா? 700 டிகிரியிலேருந்து 1200 டிகிரி வரைக்கும் இருக்குமா? ஓகேவா? Now we are going to learn igneous characteristics of igneous rock. This rocks is hard in nature. These are impermeable. Does not contain fossils. They are associated with the volcanic activities. These rocks are useful for construction. Types of igneous rocks. This igneous rocks is a two types. One is extractive rocks, igneous rocks. Another one is instructive igneous rocks. See, solidified just below the surface. Earth surface we say intrusive rocks. ஊடுருவு செய்யும். Intrusive என்னது? ஊடுருவு செய்கிறது. And the rocks formed on the earth surface due to the solidification of the lava is called extractive igneous rocks. Okay, in this one, extractive igneous rocks, can you visualize the lava comes out from the volcano? Lava is actually a very red molten magma. It comes out of the form of the material. Children, in this one, the earth of the surface. After reaching the earth surface, the molten materials get solidified from the rocks. So rocks formed in such a way on the crust is called exhaustive igneous rocks. Okay, so basalt formed in the northwestern part of the peninsular India is the example for this type of rock. Now we are going to see about the intrusive igneous rock. Intrusive igneous rocks. See, we saw first what igneous rocks. What is the igneous rocks examples? Do you know? That is granite, grabo, basalt. Okay, 3 is there. Okay children, See in the garnet rock also some temples, Hindu temples in South India are made of granite. For example, I know the one of the wonder of the Taj Mahal is there, that also built in the granite only with the white marble. Okay, uh, then the Hindu temple in the South India, it also made of the granite. One such example is the life-size elephant and other creatures grand in the granite at Mahabalipuram. In the Mahabalipuram. Have you ever played with the clay? Clay has a smooth and fine structure. It is made of the sedimentary rocks. Yes or no? Yeah. From this one also we can be do. The molten magma sometimes cool down deep inside the earth crust and becomes solid. சில நேரத்தில் பூமிக்குள்ளே அந்த மேக்மா எப்படி இருக்குமா, மேக்மான்னு என்னது மெக்னீஷியம், சரியா? அது எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா பூமியில் அந்த க்ரஸ்ட் வந்து ஸ்லோவாக அதோட கூல் ஆயிரும், ரொம்ப கொந்தளிச்சு அந்த எரிமலையாக நிற்கிறது எப்படி ஆகும், கூல் ஆனோடனே சாலிடாக மாறிடுது, சரியா? ஸோ இது எங்கே ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது? த ராக்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் திஸ் வே இஸ் அ இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிவ் ஐஜனிஸ் ராக், அதான் ஊடுருவுறது, சரியா? புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டீங்களாம்மா? ஸோ திஸ் intrusive igneous rocks are two types. One is phlonotic rocks and hypaspal rocks. Phlonotic rocks, the deep-seated rocks. Hypaspal rock is one form shallow depth. இது ஆழமாக இருக்கும், அது மேலோட்டமாக என்ன செய்யும் இருக்கும். See, hypaspal rocks is one of the examples are there. What are the examples are there? Granite, diorite and gabbro are the example of phlonotic rocks. Phlonotic rocks la enadala varudhu? Granite, diorite and gabbro. Hypaspal rocks la enna examples irukudhu? Dolerite, okay, D-O-L-E or right, okay, dolerite. So since the intrusive igneous rocks consist of the large crystal, so they are called crystalline rocks. They are called crystalline rocks. See in this picture, one picture is given there. See, exhaustive and intrusive rocks. See in this picture, both magma and lava from igneous rocks extrusive. அது மேலோட எப்படி புகையாக வருதுன்னு பார்த்தியா? அதுக்குள்ளே இருந்து பூமிக்குள்ளேருந்து பேசல்ட், அந்த கல்கள் ஒவ்வொரு கல்களும் பூமி அந்த பாறையிலேருந்து வெடித்து வெளியே வரும். அது என்ன கல்கள்லாம் உண்டுன்னு சொன்னேன் நான் அவன்கிட்ட. வாட் செட் ஐ? கிரானைட், செமி, ஆல் ஆஃப் யூ, கிரானைட், ஐ எம் நாட் ஹியரிங், டோரினேட், கேப்ரோ, basalt. Okay, so this all things will be come from outside. Okay children, some major active volcanoes. Some this one we studied in the 7th standard also. Yes, already we learned in the 7th standard. Mount Vesuvius, Stromboli, Mount Etna, it is all in Italy. Mauna Loa and Mauna Kea is in the Hawaii island. Now we are going to learn about the sedimentary rocks. The word sedimentary has been derived from the Latin word sedimentum. Is a settling down. It is a settling down. The sedimentary rocks are formed by the sediments derived and deposited by the various agents. Due to the high temperature and pressures, the undisturbed sediments of long period cemented to the form sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks consist of many layers which were formed by the sediments deposited at different periods. As it consists of the many strata, it is also known as stratified rocks. It is known as stratified rocks. See this one, the sedimentary rocks is consist many strata. Okay, so the sedimentary rocks are important source of natural resource like a coal, oil and natural gases. Okay, from this only we will get coal, oil and natural gases. Over a long period, upper layer pressures that the lower of the consulates is known as sedimentary rocks. So these rocks are rich in fossils. Fossils என்னது? It's the remains of plants and animals. So these fossils get pressed inside the fine layer. மலை பாறைகளெல்லாம் என்ன செஞ்சுருக்கணும், பழைய மிருகங்கள் செடிகள் எல்லாம் என்ன செஞ்சுருக்கோம், அழுகி அதிலே மண்ணோட மண்ணாக போயிருக்கும், மீன்ஸ் பாறையோட பாறையாக போயிருக்கும். அதெல்லாம் ஃபிக்ஸ் ஆகி என்ன செய்யுது, ஒரு சரியான ஒரு லேயராக கிடைக்குது, அப்படி தானே. ஸோ திஸ் fossils gets pressed inside the fine layers of the sedimentary rocks and get preserved in them over the years. With the help of carbon dating, it is possible to predict the age of fossils. Okay, what are the some examples in the sedimentary rocks? Do you know, children? Yeah, I'm saying to you, limestone, sandstone and shale. Okay, now you got it, children? Children, what are the different igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks? Can you understand? See, in the structure, fine grained and no layering in the igneous rocks. But in the sedimentary rocks, its texture is smooth and layered. And the formation is volcanic eruptions will be there in the igneous rocks. But it is the weathering of the rocks, okay? In the fossils, igneous, no fossils are there. But in the sedimentary rocks, we have the rich in fossils. In the color, igneous rock is a light or dark, but in the sedimentary rocks, it is a great variety of colors are there, okay. In this igneous rocks, acid reaction is there rarely only, but here many react with the acids. See, what is the characteristics of the sedimentary rocks? It has many layers, non-crystalline, it contains fossils, and it's soft and get eroded, okay. See, in this picture also, formation of sedimentary rocks. See, transfusion of the materials, disposition in the sea level. From the hills it will be go inside, yes or no? So in this we have more sedimentary rocks are forms, stones, gravel, sand, mud, silt, like that it will be found in the sedimentary rocks. Then what are the types of sedimentary rocks? Organic sedimentary rocks, mechanical sedimentary rocks, chemical sedimentary rocks, okay. See, oldest sedimentary rocks of the world has been identified in Greenland and is estimated 3.9 million years old. Oldest sedimentary rocks எங்க இருந்துச்சா, Greenlandல தான் இருந்திருக்கு, சரியா. Organic sedimentary rocks. So this rocks are formed as a result of the decompositions of the dead plants and animals. It contains fossils, chalk, talc, dolomite and limestone rocks are of this categories. Organic rocks எப்படி இருக்குமா, செத்த அனிமல்ஸ், மிருகங்கள், செடிகள் எல்லாமே அதில் இருக்கிறது தான் என்ன, அதுலேருந்து என்ன செய்வாங்க, ஃபொசில்ஸ் நிறைய இருக்கும். அதுலேருந்து என்னதெல்லாம் எடுக்க முடியுமா, என்ன கேரக்டர்ஸ், சாக்கு, டால்க்கு, டால்மினேட். டால்க்குன்னு என்னது, பவுடர், மூஞ்சி போடுறோம்ல, அதெல்லாம் என்னது, பாறையிலேருந்து வர்றதான பொருட்கள் தான், சரியா. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு மெக்கானிக்கல் செடிமெண்ட்ரி ராக்ஸ். ஸோ these rocks are found from the disintegrations of igneous and metamorphic rocks. So the natural agents erode and transport these rocks and deposit at them some places. So after a long period of time, they sediment as a form rocks like a sandstone, stay and clay are the example of these rocks. Okay. Now chemical sedimentary rocks. Now we are going to see the chemical sedimentary rocks. These are formed by practicing of the minerals from the water. இது எங்க இருந்து கிடைக்குதா, தண்ணில இருந்து. It is formed usually through evaporation of chemical rich solutions. So these rocks are called evaporates. அந்த evaporate ஆகும்போது rock salt மாறிடுது. இதோட எக்ஸாம்பிள் என்னது, rock salt. Now we are going to see metamorphic rocks. This metamorphic is derived from two Greek words, meta, morpha. Meta means what, that is changes. Morpha means it is a shape, okay. So when igneous and sedimentary rocks subject to the high temperature and pressures, the original rocks get alert to form a new kind of rocks. So that we will say metamorphic rocks. The word metamorphics means change of form. உருமாற்ற பாறைகள். மெட்டமாரிக் என்னது? உருமாற்ற பாறைகள். உருமாற்றம் பண்றது. ஓகேவா? Under intense pressures and high temperature, the rock changes their form. உள்ள இருக்க ப்ரெஷரோ அதோட வேகங்களோ டெம்பரேச்சர் அதிகமாக இருக்கும்போது பாறைகள் தன்னை என்ன செஞ்சிடும்? வேறு விதமாக மாற்றிவிடும். புரியுதா? These rocks we will say metamorphic rocks. So they are be changed form of sedimentary rocks or igneous rocks. அந்த பாறை வந்து ஒன்று அது igneous ராக்காகவும் மாறலாம், இல்லைனா sedimentary ராக்காகவும் மாறலாம். நான் புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டியா உனக்கு sedimentary metamorphic rocks என்னதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு? Due to the heat and pressures, these rocks undergo a change in the physical and chemical position. அதோட ஹீட், அதோட வெப்பம், அதோட ப்ரெஷர்ஸ் அதிகமாக இருக்கும்போது தன்னோட ஃபிசிக்கலாகவும் மாறிடுது, அதோட கெமிக்கல் பொசிஷன் என்ன செஞ்சிருது? மாறிடுது. இந்த சேஞ்சஸை நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுதோம்? மெட்டமாரிஃபிஷியம். மெட்டமாரிஃபிஷியம். So metamorphism, due to the metamorphism, the sandstone gets converted into quatrains or sail into slate. Now you got it, children? Okay. See, metamorphism is one of the two types. One is thermal metamorphism. If the change in the rocks are mainly caused by high temperature, the process is a thermal metamorphism. Second one, dynamic metamorphism. If the change in the rock is mainly caused by high temperature, we say dynamic metamorphism. புரிஞ்சுச்சா? ராக்ல மெயினாகவே ஹை டெம்பரேச்சரில் மாறும்போது நம்ம அதை என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்? தெர்மல் மெட்டமாரிசம் சொல்லுவோம். அண்ட் ஹை ப்ரெஷரில் மாறும்போது நம்ம அதை என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்? டைனமிக் மெட்டமாரிசம் சொல்லுவோம். புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டீங்களா? Now you understand, children? Very good. Next page. Turn to the next page. See, do you know one of the world Taj Mahal in India also built with the white marble in metamorphic rocks. Okay. Formation. Today we will see till metamorphic rocks. Okay. Formation of metamorphic rocks from igneous rocks. So granite into genes caused by the dynamic metamorphics. கிரானைட்டாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது என்னதான் மாறிடும்? அது ஜீன்ஸாக மாறிடும். பேலசட்டாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா என்னதான் மாறிடும்? சாலட்டாக மாறிடும். சரியா? ஸ்லேடு. இட் வில் பி சேஞ்ச் அஸ் எ ஸ்லேடு. ஃபார்மேஷன் ஆஃப் த மெட்டமாரிக் ராக்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் செடிமெண்ட்ரி ராக்ஸ். என்னதான் மாறுது? ஸ்டாண்ட்ஸ்டோன் என்னதான் மாறிடுது? குவாட்ரஸ். ஷேல் என்னதான் மாறிடுது? ஸ்லேடாக மாறிடுது. புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டீங்களா? நவ் கேரக்டரிஸ்டிக்ஸ் ஆஃப் த மெட்டமாரிக் ராக்ஸ். Metamorphic rocks are mostly crystalline in the land in the nature, and its banks of lights is consist and dark minerals also consist in this one. Now you understand, we have studied about the rocks today. Okay, what are the rocks we studied? What are the rocks we studied? It is classified into two: igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic. Okay, in the igneous we studied intrusive, extrusive, and sedimentary we learn about the organic, inorganic, and chemical, mechanical. Yes, and metamorphic we learn about the thermal and dynamic. Okay, what are the examples are there also I said. Okay, I hope you are understand. Geography. This is homework. Okay, okay children. Geography, write it in the homework note. Okay, write geography, write today's date, unit 1, rock and soil, and write 5, fill in the blanks. This answer is in your book only. While you read the book, you can understand the answer. You can easily find it. So do this work. Okay, don't ask with your mother and father, don't ask with your parent. Okay, you search. If you read the books, you can understand some things. That's why I am giving this fill in the blanks. Right, children? Write it fast. Did you finish, children? Always wear mask if you go anywhere. Keep your hand clean. Drink more water. Obey your parent. Okay, all each video I'm saying this one. I hope my children will be listen my words. Yes or no? Yeah. Did you finish the homework? Okay, children. Thank you. We will meet in the next video.